Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to talk about the difference between on, at, or in relation to time. So we have a prepositions of time quiz today. Let's get started. On is used with dates or named days. For example, we have on January 15th. Now this is a date, okay? And then we have another example on New Year's, on New Year's Day. So this is example of a named day. So these are the cases where on can be used. In is used to refer to long periods of time. Like months, years, or seasons. Okay, for example, we have in August. This is a month, all right? Another example we have in 1924. This is a year. And we have in summer. This is a season. And lastly, let's look at at. At is used with specific times on the clock. Okay? Or periods in the day. For example, we have at 12 o'clock. This is a specific time on the clock. And we have at noon. So this is a period of the day or a period in the day. Now let's use this information to answer these questions. We have blank 2004. 2004 is a year, okay? And for years or long periods of time, we use in. So in 2004. Blank March. March is a month, okay? And for months, which is under long periods of time, we use in. So in March. Blank July 4th, okay? This is a month, but this is a day, okay? That means on the 4th of July. So this is a named day, okay? This is a named day or a day. So for named dates or days, we use on July 4th. Next question, blank night. Okay, night is a period of the day or a period in the day. And for periods in the day, we use at. So correct answer is at night. Blank Tuesday. Now this is a named day. We have day here, okay? This is a named day. And for named days, we use on. So on Tuesday. Blank 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, this is a specific time on the clock, right? And for that, we use at. So we have at 10 o'clock. Blank sunrise. Correct answer is sunrise is a specific period in the day, okay? And for specific periods in the day, we use at. So we have at sunrise. Blank 5 p.m. was the correct answer. 5 p.m. is a specific time on the clock. For that, we use at 5 p.m. Blank, the 1st of June. Okay, this is a named day. The 1st of June is a specific day or a date. Okay, the 1st of June is a date. And for dates or named days, we use on. Okay, we have on the 1st of June. Blank 1999. Now, this is a year. Okay, a long period of time. And for years, we use in. So we have in 1999. Blank Christmas. What is the correct answer? This is a named day. Okay, Christmas is a single day. That is on the 25th of December, right? That is Christmas Day. And for named days, we use on. So we have on Christmas. Blank Mother's Day. Again, this is a named day. And for named days, we use on. So we have on Mother's Day. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.